Hi guys, I hope you're having a beautiful day as always. I have a sickening amount of trash that I have been hoarding. So I have two big old bags of stuff. So let's stinking rifle through my garbage. A lot of this is going in recycling, by the way. Oxycore Platin. This is the bleach that I use for my hair and on my friend's hair, and I actually need to highlight my roots. We're gonna ignore that though. I'm probably gonna do that this week. So went through a canister of this. This is a pound. I also went through a bottle of 10 volume peroxide. Really all I need is 10 volume on my hair because my natural color actually lifts pretty easily. Looks, I think, a little darker on camera than it is in real life, but it lifts super easy because it's really fine. And yeah. I finished this Listerine Total Care Zero mouthwash. Didn't really feel like it did much. I don't know that I rebuy that. Oh god. So we have a makeup remover exfoliating cloth down there, and then here we have a smooth satin wax. You put this in like a wax warmer and you can like wax your legs with it and stuff like that. It's just got really messy and really old, so I took it out of the wax warmer. It's going in the trash. I would buy it again because I already did buy it again. Next up we have this Biore baking soda for your skin, like face scrub thing. I didn't like it. We also have the Ouidad clarifying cream shampoo. Didn't like it. Sensitive Skin Shave Gel by Up & Up. This is the men's version because that is what they had a coupon for, and I do not discriminate when it comes to shave gel. Would I buy it again? Yeah. Curel Hydrotherapy Wet Skin Moisturizer. I really did like that. I don't know how many of those actually still sell anymore, but I enjoyed it. Dove Deep Moisture Soothing Body Wash. I wouldn't buy it. Another one of these makeup remover exfoliating cleansing cloths. I wouldn't buy these again. I didn't like the exfoliating ones. I just like the plain e.l.f. makeup remover wipes. You know, old school stuff that I have a billion of them that I've used. Biore Nose Strip. They're okay. Power Lift Cleansing Bead Massage Gel by Mira Ness. This was from my friend Hannah. It was okay. Really hard to get for me, so probably not going to order it. A mint chapstick. Really hard to hold on to and fully use a chapstick, but I did. And I actually don't prefer this mint chapstick brand. I like the mint Blistex, so would I buy this one again? No. But I do like the Peppermint Holiday chapstick brand one. That's amazing. Secret Clinical Strength Invisible Solid. This is my favorite deodorant. I like to not be stinky, so I like that one. Women's Multivitamin Gummies. I didn't really like the flavor on this. Blackberry and blueberry flavor. I wouldn't buy it again. Hey, be nice to that. Be nice to that roadkill. Oh, we can't even see you. There we go. Be nice to that roadkill. Okay? Okay. Okay, Candy Cane Chapstick. I love this. This is one of my favorite chapsticks. So this Candy Cane Chapstick and the Blistex Mint are my faves. Cotton Rounds. You can use these things for about anything. Love those. The Tone Limited Sugar Edition Glow Body Wash. Not a fan. But I finished it. I'm not a fan. Just throwing stuff around. Play Ultra Moisture Body Wash. I would not buy this. No, thank you. I'm trying to use up a bunch of stuff, but yeah. Okay, so this Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation was in the color 125 Nude Beige. I did use this up, and I liked it. I used the whole stinking thing. Maybe there's like a little bit. Oh, look, there's like some that's pulled up in the bottom. Not gonna go after it now. Not gonna happen. This L'Oreal Oleotherapy Oil Infused Shampoo. There's a tiny bit left of it. I just stinking hate this stuff, and I was tired of using it because it just doesn't make your hair feel clean. It makes it feel oily. So if you have really dry hair, I have really fine hair, so this is not a good match for me, but if you had really dry or thick or curly hair even that tends to dry out more, this might be the way to go. It might add some moisture back in your hair, but for me, it was too much. I had 2 samples of some MAC makeup. So I have NW15, I can't even remember what, and then 20 something or other. They were just really old. Wasn't going to use them anymore. Oh, here's the corresponding conditioner. Also makes your hair feel oily. So if you have incredibly dry, crusty hair, that is the stuff for you. I have this Got To Be Defiant pomade. It's just really dried out and funky, and it's got like glitter in it, so I don't really know what's going on with that. So I had the Dermalogica Special Cleansing Gel. It was a face wash. It was like in my travel bag for forever, got kind of washed off. I did like this stuff. It wasn't anything like super magical, but would I use it again? Yes. Would I go seek it out? No. This is a lip gloss that was found in a purse that was really old. So this is a Revlon lip gloss, and it is in Peach Petal. Really pretty color, but old. Smelled funny. Not good. The Wet n Wild Mega Lighter Eyeliner. Totally dried out. Went to go use it, and yeah, dried. Crusty. Not good. Pasty eyeliner is bad. I mean, I guess unless you bought it that way to start with, but that was not the case with that product. The Vasanti Brighten Up Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator. I really like this stuff. I like the texture of the like really fine little particles in there. Pretty sure I'm getting this in my next FabFitFun box, so I'm excited about that. Yeah. Baby Lips in Twinkle. It was also just old, so I didn't use it all up. It's really plain and it's just old, so I was gonna pass on that one. The Nourish Organics Moisturizing Face Cleanser with Cucumber and Watercress. This stuff, like the tube is empty, I did use it, but this stuff is terrible. I have not found anything by the Nourish Organic brands that I liked even remotely that I would purchase again, so that was a hell no on that one. Aqua Spa Body Cream and Relaxing Lavender and Chamomile. I don't really like the scent of lavender, so I did not enjoy this. I used it on my legs and that gave me a headache. I did not like it. Oh god. Things are falling out all over the place. Okay, 2 things left in here. The first one is the Pixi Glow Tonic. Exfoliating glow tonic thing. I don't really feel like it did much of anything. I would not be purchasing that. And then the last one is Clarisonic Head. That was, you know, old and grody. I needed to be replaced. That was it for the first bag. Now let's go on to the second bag of stuff. Yeah. These Exfoliating Simple Facial Wipes. I hated them. They kind of dried out. There's still some left in there. I will not use them. They're horrible. Another bag of cotton rounds, because again, they're universal. They can be used for so many things. I have, there's probably another one in here, but, oh geez. 4 bags of the regular e.l.f. makeup remover cleansing cloths. These are my favorites. I love them so much. Oh, look at this. So there's 2 different kinds of packaging. So like this is the old packaging and this is the new packaging. See, this is how companies get ya. So the old packaging is an 8 by 7 inch cloth, right? And you're like, oh, it's still got 20 cloths in it, no problem. Okay, well this still has 20 cloths in it, but now it's a 7 by 7 cloth. They took away an inch of my cloth here. Didn't even notice. I did notice the packaging was different though. So, it got me good. Next up is this Degree Motion Sense Ultra Clear Black and White Invisible Solid. Hated this stuff. It's a lie. It will get on your black clothes. You'll have white marks. They're liars. All of the detergent, the deodorant people, they're all liars. Okay, so I have a box for this clinical strength deodorant that I already used. Then I have a miniature Dove Advanced Care that I got as a sample that I would not purchase again. Finished a generic value product. This is from Sally's. This is like the knockoff Shimmer Light shampoo. I would, and I have repurchased this, and I've also purchased the conditioner that goes with it. I quite like it. Finished a miniature tropical Batiste with coconut and exotic tropical scents. Batiste is okay. I don't know that I would say that it's my favorite dry shampoo, but it's okay. Got a Jergens Wet Skin Moisturizer. I believe it was a coconut. Yeah, refreshing coconut oil is in there. I like that. Again, I don't know if anybody still sells it. Got the Fructis Voluptuous Blowout thing. I don't believe it did what it said. Liar. I got a poof. It was just an old poof that started to get rusty from touching a shower rack thing. It's very special, I know. I was so sad about this one. So I finished this Physicians Formula Enriched Dry Skin Concentrate. This is like my holy grail of facial moisturizers. And they don't stinking make it anymore. I can't find it online. I've tried to buy other like dry skin concentrate kind of products. They're all terrible. They are not as moisturizing as this even remotely was. And I'm also sad that another product of mine that isn't even in here, actually it's in the other room. Ugh, that thing, they stopped making it too. It was the Soap and Glory like 8-in-1 serum kind of thing. I loved that thing. They stopped making it, or 6-in-1 serum. Anyway, you can't find this anywhere. This was the greatest thing ever for my super dry skin. I love it so much. So this is, we're having a funeral for this right now. Dum da dum. Dum da dum. Finish this vitamin wash with papaya extract. It was terrible. Looks like a vitamin water, which is really cute, but would never buy it. I have 2 of these Dollar Shave Club cartridge thingies, you know, where I used razors and shaving my legs. Use those up. Pure Silk shave cream. This is actually a women's shave cream, like I said earlier. I don't discriminate. If you work as a shave cream, I'm cool with you. Would I buy this again? Yes, I would. I have a CoverGirl Outlast Stay Fabulous 3-in-1 foundation. This is in Buff Beige. I used this puppy up. I really like this foundation. I have used it several times. This is maybe my at least 3rd, if not 4th, bottle of this that I have gone through. I really like it and I will buy it again. Then I have the e.l.f. Flawless Foundation. I just don't stinking like this stuff, so I'm getting rid of it. I got mine in the color Sand. It's a terrible product. Wet n Wild Coverall Cream Foundation. This is really old. Look how, like, the foundation has discolored. It is so dark. What you pouting about? What you pouting about? What's going on? Tell me about it. Sit. What's going on? Let's have a conversation. This is what he does every time. What's going on? What's happening, baby? Yeah? Is that what's going on? What are you barking about? Are you looking out the window? Free! Free! You crazy? Your tongue's all hanging out? Yeah, so this is discolored terribly from when I bought it. So that's going. I had a sample of an exfoliate. I love this stuff. Used it up. First Aid Beauty face cleanser. Don't really like this stuff. I feel like it dries out my skin. Crest White Brilliance toothpaste. Love this stuff. That's the kind I keep buying. Sephora Instant Moisture Cream. This stuff was okay. A Sonicare toothbrush head. This was just really old. This was the Physicians Formula Mineral Wear Correcting Talc-Free Primer. This is so old, so it's like 6 years old at least. e.l.f. Hyper Shine Lip Gloss. It's one that's, you know, used, so I found it in a purse, just like some of the other ones, and it was old. NYX Color Balm. This is in TAC. I do really like these, but I feel like this one's just old, and it's a lip balm, and I just want it to mosey on off into the sunset. I do really like those, though, so I would buy another one. I hate this, though. These are the EOS lip balms. I forget which one this one is. I don't know, but it smells terrible, and these things do nothing for my lips. They just dry them out. Then I have an e.l.f. Buff Black. So some kind of mascara. I don't remember what kind, but it's not good. I don't like it. Have an organic wear mascara, one of my faves. In the South here, it seems to flake out under my eyes a little bit, whereas when I was in Southern California, it wouldn't do that. So I don't know if it's just the moisture, like the humidity here makes it flake off of my lashes, or if they've changed the formula. I don't really know, but used to be my all-time fave. We're getting there, by the way. We're almost done. Then I have the Organic Wear BV mascara. I still like the original one better than that one. I have the Kiss My Face Sliced Peach Lip Balm. Also not very moisturizing and old. And then I have the Dove Go Fresh Moisture Pear and Aloe Vera Scent Body Wash. It was okay. I would consider buying it. I bought a konjac sponge from Sephora. I think it's from Boscia. I did really like this, and I have a new konjac sponge coming in the mail. And then, let me see here, almost done. Nivea Lip Butter in Raspberry Rosé Kiss. I don't know that I can get this open. I can't get it open. It's old. I'm not gonna put it on my lips. I have a miniature Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. I used it all up. That is impressive for me because I don't use setting sprays very much. And then I have this color tattoo that is just done, and it was in Barely Branded. So that was a lot of trash. Now I can throw that all away. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Alright guys, so we are all done here today. I missed you guys so very much. If you leave me a comment down below, say hi, let me know a video that you want to see. I will put it on my to-do list or take it under consideration. I have some life things to talk about. If you want to talk about those life things, if there's a certain kind of video out there that you've really been enjoying lately that you want to see me make, because I haven't been around, that would be great. Go ahead and let me know. I'll get back into my groove hopefully soon. I posted a video. It was kind of a life date and also, or life update, and also it had my FabFitFun box in it. So if you want to check that out, I will have that link down below, so you can go and check that out just to kind of get a feel from where I've been and what the heck has been going on. So anyway, I love you guys so very much. I have missed you terribly, and I hope you guys all have a beautiful day. Bye!